Welcome guys, so in this video I'm going to show you the ins and outs of Google Jamboard. If you are not already familiar with it, it's basically a free whiteboard app that was made by Google. So over here I am on the website, which is jamboard.google.com, and I don't have any jams yet, so I'm going to make one by clicking on the plus. It's going to make an untitled jam for me. So I'm going to go through everything step by step. And this logo actually works as a link. If you click on it, it will take me back to the home page, which is jamboard.google.com. Over here is the name. I can name it whatever I want. I'll name it Demo Jam. Over here are the frames, and you can have as many frames as you want. For example, if you are teaching a lesson and one frame was enough for you, then you can just make another one. Over here, I have some more options, which are rename, which is also over here. You can download as a PDF, or you could save it as an image. You could delete it, make a copy, and you can check the updates or send feedback. Over here, I have the share button. So I can share it with people or groups, and I can also choose link sharing so that I can just generate a link and send it to whoever I want to instead of having to give them individual access. Over here are the undo and redo. The shortcut for undo is Ctrl-Z, and the shortcut for redo is Ctrl-Y. This is for the zoom. So you can make it automatically fit. You can make it a specific % by clicking any one of these, or you can just zoom in. You can choose a background, for example, a grid, or you can delete everything. So for the tools, I have the pen, which consists of a pen, marker, highlighter, and brush, and 6 colors. Let's say I'll choose pen and red, and I can write hi. There's also eraser, so I can erase. And there's also a cursor, but that won't work for drawings, and we'll see why that can be useful in a second. Next, we have sticky notes. So this is handy if you want to type something instead of having to manually write it. And you can choose a background. And I'll move it where I want. And I can even enlarge it. I can edit it, duplicate it, or delete it. And then next, images. So I can add an image. I can upload it from my computer. I can search. I can use Google Drive or Google Photos. I'll just search for a computer clip art. And I'll choose this picture and select. I can also resize this, or I can duplicate or delete it. And I'll move it over here. Now back to the select. What it's useful for is mainly for sticky notes, so that I can select them, and for images. It doesn't work on drawings. And finally, I have the laser, which basically works as a pointer, and it disappears after a couple of seconds, so I can point at something quickly. And I can clear using this clear frame button. I can undo that by using Ctrl-Z or pressing this button, and redo will delete it again, or I could do Ctrl-Y and I'll undo that again. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video helped, and if it did, please smash that like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and share, and check out this video and playlist. See you in the next video.